Welcome to the video demonstration of group project work done by MS Ramaya University of Applied Science. This project was done by Machine Learning and Intelligent Systems students from M.Tech. The students are Ashita Reddy TS, Divya YS, Raja INR and Vishnu Prasad. Title of the project is Image Neural Storyteller and our mentor was Dr. Raghvendra V. Kulkarni sir. Neural Storyteller gives us a fascinating glimpse into future of storytelling. We present a framework for visual storytelling to generate human-level narrative from photo stream. The output of the model is a generation of caption for the input image. With the help of the generated captions and the trained data, that is romantic novels, the model is able to generate a story that would be relevant to the input images. The goal of the project is to combine visual and language processing by building an intelligent storyteller system. To achieve the goal, there was many steps. This was an attempt to combine both image and text processing to build a useful deep learning application. The motivation of the project is to give a sense of sight for the computer vision. For that, an AI needs training just like a children does. NLP is categorized as a hard problem in computer science, but this is not. Objectives: to generate captions for the given image by implementing convolution neural network and the extracted feature network, deploying a recurrent neural network for analyzing the captions and to create meaningful sentences. Train the network using natural language processing technique that would select the relevant sentences from the training data. Fourth, generate story for the given image that would give significance of what is happening in an image using neural network. Methods and methodologies. To generate captions, image features are captured at lower convolution layers. To generate story, the image is fed as an input and all the processes takes place sequentially and the story is generated. The model are trained for 1600 corpus stories. Firstly, train a visual semantic embedding between COCO images and captions. Captions and images are mapped into a common vector space. Secondly, a recurrent neural network, that is RNN, decoder on an romance novels. Third, conditions RNN on skip thoughts vectors and generate the encoded passage. Fourth, each passage from the novel is mapped to the skip thought vectors. Finally, after training, embedded neural images and retrieve the stories. These are a few steps that has taken place to generate story as well as caption for the given image. A few papers and books were reviewed before the project wasn't taken place. Data set. The dataset that is used in this project was COCO dataset has 330K images. Caption generation can be viewed as a graph search problem. Caption generation was done using LSTM architecture as well as convolution neural network. The main model that was implemented in the project was MRE model, that is Multi-Instance Embedding Image System. Here, the convolution neural network is used to encode the pixel information into a high abstract features. Architecture of story generator. Initially, an image is fed into the system and the system finds what is relevant objects present in the system. This is done using the COCO dataset. The encoder then next tries to relate all the words and tries to make it a sentence. The decoder model is used to find whether the generated sentence is relevant to the image or not, or whether it makes a meaningful sentence or not. Vocabulary expansion is used to find the alternative word for the given word. Training of the model is done for the romantic novels as well as a few movie subtitles. Generation of a story is usually done with using the recurrent neural network. Now, this is the web page created by the students of the project. Let us choose the file for which we need the story. Images, and the story is chosen. Let's give submit and find the story. Yes, the output of the project is captions as well as story by the neural network. These are the few results that has been found, and even scores are given to the outputs according to the relevance to the images. Score 3, since 2 consists of no human, but the story says there is the presence of a human. Resources utilized: knowledge base, data sets, objection segmentation. What is the future scope and limitation? Neural-storyteller gives a fascinating glimpse, whereas the future scope is this can be used when it's proper. It can be used for betterment of the visual impaired people. A few references. Thank you for watching the video.